In this video clip, we'll see how we are going to draw this picture. X to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 3x squared. The first step we want to do is to factor the expression. So everything here has x squared. We pull it out. Then terms left over will be in the brackets, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3. We then factor this quadratic expression. We will get x minus 1, x minus 3, then times x squared. After we get this expression, we know this polynomial has 0 points, 0, 1, 3. So once we plug in these three values here, we'll have f of x 0. For example, if we plug in value 1 here, and then you see here we got x equals 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, times 1 squared, still 0. And then times 1 minus 3, and 0 times 1 minus 3 is 0. So we have 3 0 points. Once we got 3 0 points, we know these 3 0 points will divide the whole axis into 4 parts. This real axis now is in 4 parts right here. Then we know for 0 here on the left is 1 part. Between 0 and 1 is second. Between 1 and 4 is 1 and 3 is the third, and greater than 3 is the fourth part. Now, on the first one, less than 0 from this point to the left, then what we get, we got to choose 1 point, negative 0.5. You plug in this one into the expression, which is where? Plug in here. Plug in here. So negative 0.5 squared times negative 0.5 minus 1 times negative 0.5 minus 3. You plug in here. We can calculate. The answer is 1.3125. That's basically this point. Okay, so x is negative 0.5. We have this point. And we know 1.3125 is greater than 0. Then you know all the points from 0 to the left are positive. Okay. Between 0 and 1, you plug in 0.5. Then you get 1.3125. Okay, that would be the second point. All right, that's the one right in the middle here. Of course, when you plug in 0, because 0 is 0 point. Okay, so basically you do is you plug in 0, you no longer need to plug in. You know that's 0 point. So this is the point. Okay, and then for 0.5 is between these two zeros. Get rid of this one. Get rid of this one and get rid of this one. So this is 0.5 is for this one, for this one. So you get the second node 0 point. And then when is the 0 point? You see again, so it will come back to touch this point. Okay. Then you're going to choose between 1 and 3. You choose another node 0 point. We choose 2, right here. You plug in 2 here. So then you have the value 2 squared times 1 times -1 is -4. So it goes to here. Okay. Right here. To -4. And then it will come back to 3. How far it will go deeper? Well, you will learn that in calculus. Right now, you can just sketch, not accurately. So it goes back to 0 point. Okay, 3. Right here, it goes this deep. Later on, again, in calculus, you will know how deep. And then, greater than 3, you choose 3.2. Plug in the value, you have a 4.5056. Okay, so that's this point. Then you may connect all the points. You will get the graph. So the idea here to draw the graph is quite easy. First, find 3 0 points. Sometimes you may find more. Then choose node 0 point. You have 4 node 0 points here because, again, 3 0 points divide the whole axis into 4 parts. Then choose another 4 points in every interval, node 0 points. Then you can roughly draw the picture. All right. Okay. Please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.